Indulge your senses while driving in style with our luxurious Doe16 Faux Rabbit fur steering wheel cover. The newest addition to the FH Group steering wheel collection provides you with the 3 F's of auto accessories: fun, fluffy, and fashionable. This cover doesn't just look pretty. Its thick, plush design hides any unsightly cracks and blemishes, protects hands from extreme temperatures, and provides a relaxed, comfortable grip while driving. It fits steering wheels 14.5 by 15.5 inches in diameter and is universally designed to fit most vehicles. Plus, with 9 vibrant color options to choose from, it'll be hard to buy just one. So add some fluff and flair to your ride and make it a complete set with our comfy matching car floor mats and soft plush seat cushions. The FH Group Doe16 collection ensures your vehicle will be a hair above the rest.